Hey guys, going for the year. Today's vlog, nothing. I know a lot of people don't actually see my videos, but you don't subscribe either. Literally, on the most view video, I got 44 views, and they didn't subscribe, and my dog is here. Dog, come down. Guys, please tell me. Okay, I'm still waiting for the response of the Try Not to Laugh challenge. There's my dog. Her name is Pie. I'm not. Please, guys, tell me what my dare is. Because I left 3 times. And I need to do it 3 times. I need to do it on my phone or drink it. Tell me what my challenge is. And I am going to post a video about that. And I got no idea. I might get bird in the future. Since my name is Golden Freddy. I've been thinking about naming a golden bird. Comment down below what should I name my new bird coming soon. Maybe next year. I don't know. See you guys later. Bye.